Alright, so power steering cooler. What I think I'm going to do is on the bottom of the subframe or cross member, it has 2 bolts. I think it's probably for its shield, so I'll end up, I went to Home Depot, got this. I think it was like $6, $7. But I'll mount it like this, even though the offset is a little bit different. I think they're 8, I think it was 8 inches apart from bolt to bolt. And this thing is like 13. I have this piece to kind of tie it together. I'll have this one under here, and then I'll get another one to kind of put it right in here, and then to kind of hold this thing up as a whole unit. If anything, I'll take it to Mr. W, have him weld it all together so this brace can slide out like this, and then it'll be a lot easier. But just something quick came up with, see if it works. I already cut the first piece, so I just need to cut these 2 pieces. I measured it. I want to say it was 4 inches, so I'll get 2 4-inch legs to put in there, drill some holes, and that'll be it. So see how that goes. Get the drilling. Get that out of the way. So that's where my hole needs to be. These actually together. This is going to be close these ends up. Educated with a felon boyfriend. That's what she's thinking tonight. Maybe she's right, but please stay down, mama. Gotta be. Alright, so there is my power steering cooler bracket.
And that is the finished product. Intercooler. Oh no, that was a radiator. Intercooler, radiator. And there is the power steering cooler. So, from up top, you can see the two lines right here. And this is the line to the rack. And then the line that actually feeds the pump or the cooler, it comes from the back of the power steering cooler. So from the power steering cooler, I will have a line going to the cooler. So this line right here goes to the hard line that goes to the actual power steering pump. And then the back one has the adapter on it that goes from dash 6 to dash 8. Then this dash 8 goes along the side of the cooler right here, goes up to the back of the power steering pump. So looking at it from underneath, and I need to put two hose clamps, not clamps, tack downs to hold this hose up. So this hose will be tucked up underneath where you won't see it. Right now it's kind of hanging loose, but I'll stick it on the same bolts that's holding the bracket, so it'll be sitting up tight. And then there's the line from the hard line. That's the cooler. Got rid of the snake nest, or whatever the hell they call it. RX7. This is a replacement. It's not the lowest point of the car. Cross member is, once that hose is tucked up. Sweet.